Hey beautiful people, I got some stuff that I want to share with you guys. But before I do, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, share it, like it, leave some comments before you even know what the hell I'm gonna talk about, right? As you guys can tell from the title, and my favorite thing in the whole wide world is telling you what I've been shopping for, is a haul video. So I know you guys hate haul videos. I don't care because they are my favorite, okay? I like to tell you what I bought this time, and I got some really cool stuff. I ran up on this really cool business. It's called Krazy Essentials on Twitter. Because I love Twitter. No, you're just not gonna focus? Ha! There we go. Krazy Essentials. Krazy Essentials is owned by Shamini Jenkins, and all their contact information is down below. I also have an affiliate code, so that is down below. So when you guys go buy all of the stuff I'm gonna tell you about, you get a little bit off because you know me, you know, I got you. Round one, like, her packaging is immaculate. I was not a big deal, like packaging wasn't a big deal until one of my friends brought it to my attention, and she was like, oh, I love packaging. I was like, I don't give a damn about packaging, whatever. But I have come to appreciate packaging. Y'all know I love Queen Cosmetics packaging. So I get this cute little package in the mail. Look at that. Bubble wrap, cute little purple, matches her, everything. Like, your shit is with it. And obviously my information is on the back, so you're not gonna see that. But this is the front. Special handling, fragile. There are some glass bottles in here, and this is what it looked like when I got it. Like, isn't this the cutest little thing? Some people just throw your shit in a bag and be out. You don't know what you're gonna get. Y'all have seen, based on my last haul video that you guys didn't watch, what piss poor packaging looks like and what happens to your product on the inside. All my stuff came in one piece. Everything was good, everything was great, and yes. So what did I get? First things first, I got this tobacco and amber dry body oil. I love tobacco smells. I love stuff that smells like it's on fire. I love woodsy, earthy kind of smells. I'm not big on fruity smells. Just for me personally, I like amethyst type smells, and she really hit it out the park with this. I did not realize that it was a shimmer like oil until I got it, but I mean, who doesn't like the shimmer? So whatever. But it has this really pretty, it's not gonna focus, is it? Really pretty shimmer to it, and it goes on really nice, and it smells so good. She has quite a variety of scents, something for everyone on there, and I think this is probably one of the bigger sellers. Like, don't quote me on that because I don't know, but I know she's out of stock. She gets out of stock, but she restocks really quickly. So this is something that is very popular on her website. Next is no crusty lips. Nobody likes crusty lips. I wear a lot of lipstick, so sometimes my lips can get kind of blah. And crazy, like muscle milk leaves a really weird film on your lips. So as you guys know, I work out. Here are my guns, there are my guns. And I drink a lot of protein. And that stuff just like leaves a film on your lips. But at night I can come and use this birthday cupcake lip scrub, which I believe, and this is just the sample size. Okay, it's not gonna do it, whatever. It also comes with a little spoon kind of thing to get it out with, which I thought was genius. And I also got the overnight renewal therapy for your lips, or for my lips rather. There we go. All of her like packet or the labels are really cool too. They seem to stay on pretty well. So in more, what is that? In more bubble wrap are my glass products. These are also pretty popular. I love me some shiny shit, okay? If it shines, I'ma buy it. If it shimmers or glitters or sparkles or anything to that nature, I want it because I like to shine. I mean, who the hell doesn't? I got two. This is actually for my best friend, Chanel. She likes shiny shit just as much as I do. So I picked up two because I'm a greedy bitch. And I got the Ultra Beam Highlight Drops, which is kind of like a pink purple kind of color. And for myself, I got Litty. Litty, it smells pretty good. It smells like it smells. But something really cool about it, it's got like a tint to it. So if you're like super high yellow, like I tend to be, and you rub that in, it gives you a nice little tone there. I put that in the worst place ever, right? I don't know. I would be careful putting it on my face because then my makeup won't match. It does have some bronzing quality to it. So I would suggest using it just for your body if you get the Litty shade. Some of the other shades might not be as darkening. So yes, shout out to you, Krazy Essentials. I cannot wait to buy more shit. I want all your glittery stuff. Yeah, so again, I'm gonna put all their information down below so you guys get it for the Lolo. Moving on, I picked up some Mary Kay. My very first thing after I had my oldest son was selling Mary Kay. And I sucked at it terribly, but their products are pretty decent, but I had just kind of stayed away from them over the years. But I have a friend, Sherry, who recently started selling Mary Kay. So here I am back in Mary Kay land. I got some CC cream, and in my shade is light to medium. And I think there are 4 shades in the CC cream. I also picked up mascara. Yeah, I bought mascara. And it's called Lash Love. You can see there, it's the really small applicator. There it is. The small applicator that, are you gonna come back to me? Are you coming back? Okay, good. The small applicator that, it's good for people with no damn eyelashes like me. I also got these from Miss Cammy taught me. I'm gonna link her channel below because she taught me. And some beauties, I think these were like 11 bucks on Amazon. And it's 4 of them. They come in this really cool shape. And I have a few other ones that weren't as cost effective. And then your typical teardrop. And then some black ones in that flat shape there and a teardrop. So yeah, that's the shit I picked up. Ooh, I also got this from Paparazzi. My cousin sells Paparazzi Jewelry. So yeah, I picked that up too. I picked up quite a few pieces actually. I'm not gonna show them all to you. But if you know some folks who sell Paparazzi, it's really good stuff. It's $5. Like all the stuff I bought is like $5. You can't beat that. Like stuff to wear to work, wear to church, wherever you wanna wear it to. Yeah, I'll link all the information below. And you guys be awesome, be beautiful, and I will see y'all later. Yeah, is that it? That's it? Okay, haul complete. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.